Yeah. So now let's talk around how to get started with Omni Studio, right? We heard a lot around Omni Studio. This is like so easy, and you can build a lot of things on the UI as well as fetching data from backend, validations, everything. Now let's see how
Yes.
we can have that Omni Studio. So my first question is, can I have a Omni Studio installed in my developer org, which is free?
Sorry, I didn't get your by what.
Can I have Omni in developer org?
No, that we won't have
No.
the it
As of
for
today,
free.
yeah, as of today, we
Yes,
don't have. It's not.
not possible.
But it's free. But if you are having partner org,
Yeah, if you have a
uh,
partner org, then we can install it.
and we need to get the URL for installation from support, right?
Yes. So if we have a SDO org, we can go ahead and install the Omni Studio.
Yeah, that is SDO org, right? SDO org.
Yes.
Yeah. From partner org, we have to create SDO
An SDO org. Yes.
org and then get the installation URL. Now, can I directly go and install, or there are any dependencies, any such things to answer all those things? I think this is the documentation URL which talks around installation
Yeah.
and details. Just
Correct.
go to this URL. Okay, Omni Studio installation and upgrade. So this talks around all these basic steps, preparation to install. So if I go to prepare to install, I think I have it already open. So prepare to install the Omni Studio package.
Omni Studio
So
package.
are there any prerequisites? So this will tell around that, right?
Yeah. If we follow this, we'll get an idea to how to install it. This is the and we'll have the link also for that.
Okay. So ensure your browser works on with Omni Studio. So browser is also important, right? It's not like it will work in each and every browser. So we need to see what
Yes.
cases or
Yes.
don't use Microsoft Internet Explorer. Okay.
And we need to check the edition, Salesforce edition.
Okay. This is
The
important.
edition our org is currently.
Edition must be either of this enterprise, unlimited, or performance. Okay. And you have the Omni Studio permissions. So, what are the permissions? What are things we need for that user to work with Omni Studio components?
Yeah, we have two permissions like Omni Studio admin and the Omni Studio users. So that is the permissions that which we should be having.
So those permission need to be assigned to the user.
User correct.
So if I go to end user has to be a system admin user. Check the Salesforce CRM content user box as well on that user. When you receive welcome to account password. Okay. Okay. So basically we need to go through all these steps in order to make sure that okay Omni Studio package is available and we are able to use it. So there are two parts to it, right? One is to install, other one is to start using that.
Yes,
So for installation, what we are saying is we will need these prerequisites, and it is only available for this type of org,
correct.
right? And then for using it, let me try to go to the other window. Okay. So if I go to installed packages, right? So if I search for Omni Studio, so once I install by using that install URL, it will install that package, correct? And
Yes,
okay, this is the latest version, I believe,
yes.
254.9. So now there is another question, right? So once we install the package, is it auto upgraded or we need to do upgradation every time in production?
In production, it will be an auto upgradation, but when it
Okay.
comes to the sandbox, then we need to follow some steps again to update the latest version.
Okay. So we need to know around that steps and just make a note of it so that in future we should be able to in another session we should be able to cover that, right?
Yes,
Uh, package auto Sandbox. Okay, or dev or anything on the development side, right? Okay, and if I go here, so okay, so once we are able to see that this is our package, we'll be able to see the components and everything around that package.
Yes.
Okay, and then for user, let me navigate to my user. Let's see which permissions we have assigned. Setting advanced details. So I should have that. Okay, Salesforce CRM content user in chat. Active as system admin
Profile is system admin. Yes.
and the permission sets. Okay, these are the permission set, right? Omni Studio admin,
Yes.
Omni Studio user.
User. Yeah.
So this is it, right? This is all about getting started with the Omni Studio. This is the prerequisite.
Yeah.
Okay,
Prerequisite
and yeah,
for
and
installing the
anyone
Home
face
Studio
any challenge, I'll share this URL in the description as well, right? So this is the URL which has details around everything about installation, pre-installation, post-installation, regarding upgrade or the settings.
package. Yeah.
Everything is available here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah.
And for anyone who want to practice this, it's not available in the normal developer org. I think we need to get the access to the partner org, and then we can install it. Then we can practice it, right?
Yeah, so we need a partner org. We need SDO org created from that partner org. Then we need the URL to deploy that Omni Studio package. Once it is
Yes.
installed, before installation steps are mentioned here, post installation steps are there, and then what settings the user needs, whoever will be working on this Omni Studio as a developer, all those things we have talked around
Yeah.
within this. Yeah.
Correct. Correct. Yes, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. Yep. Thank you. I think we'll stop here for this session. Yeah.
Thank you.